Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. Today we are going to discuss about SAARC, a regional organization, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. This is an important topic in our UGC NET examination in geography. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, SAARC at a glance. It was founded in 1985, headquarters at Kathmandu, 8 member states and population more or less 1.9 billion, area 5.1 million kilometers square. And charter signed on December 8 in 1985. Okay, this is the historical background. In 1980, Bangladesh President Ziaur Rahman proposed concept of South Asian regional cooperation. 1981, foreign secretaries of 7 South Asian countries met for the first time in Colombo, Sri Lanka. 1983, Declaration on South Asian Regional Cooperation (DSARC) issued at New Delhi meeting. 1985, SAARC officially founded on December 8 in Dhaka, Bangladesh, first summit. 2007, Afghanistan became the 8th member state at the 14th SAARC summit. Okay, member states 8, Afghanistan capital, Kabul. Afghanistan joined SAARC in 2007. Bangladesh, capital Dhaka, joined 1985. Bhutan, capital Thimphu, joined 1985. India, capital New Delhi, joined 1985. Maldives, capital Malé, joined 1985. Nepal, capital Kathmandu, joined 1985. Pakistan, capital Islamabad, joined 1985. Sri Lanka, capital Colombo, joined 1985. Okay, objectives of SAARC. Okay, what are the objectives? The objectives of SAARC are they want to promote welfare and equality, welfare and quality of life of South Asian people, accelerate economic growth and social progress, strengthening collective self-reliance among nations, promote active collaboration in economic, culture and technical fields, cooperate with international and regional organizations, maintain peace and stability in the region. Okay, principles: sovereign quality, equality of all member states, territorial integrity and political independence, non-interference in internal affairs, decisions by unanimous consensus, bilateral and contentious issues accelerated, and cooperation for mutual benefits. Okay, these are some main objectives and principles of SAARC. Now, this is the organizational structure. First of all, heads of state government submit highest decision-making body. Below there, Council of Ministers, Foreign Ministry and Policy Direction, Standing Committee, Foreign Secretaries, overall monitoring, and technical committees, experts, specific subject areas. Okay, SAARC Secretariat, Kathmandu, at Nepal, established in 1987, headed by Secretary General. Okay, key SAARC summits, long, year, host city, host country, key themes and outcomes. First, 1985, Dhaka, host country Bangladesh, key theme outcome, SAARC founded, SAARC signed. Second, 1986, host city Bangalore, host country India, key theme and outcome, integrated program of action. 1990, Maldives, environment and climate focus. 2002, Kathmandu, Nepal, SAFTA agreement framework. 2005, Dhaka, Bangladesh, SAFTA signed, energy cooperation. 2007, New Delhi, India, Afghanistan admitted as 8th member. 2014, Kathmandu, Nepal, connectivity and prosperity. Okay, key agreements and mechanisms. SAFTA, South Asian Preferential Trading Agreement arrangement in 1993. First trade agreement signed in Dhaka, preceded SAFTA. SAARC Charter founding document 1985 laid down objectives, principles and institutional framework. SAARC CCI, Chamber of Commerce and Industry 1992 promotes trade and commerce in South Asia. Then SAFTA, South Asian Free Trade Area 2004, established effective from 2006, aimed at reducing customs duties, boost intra-regional trade. SAARC Finance, Central Bank Governance Group to 1998, monetary and financial cooperation among member states. SAARC University 2010, South Asian University located in New Delhi, promotes academic cooperation. Okay, areas of cooperation: agriculture and rural development, food security, crop research, irrigation technology, communication to postal services, telecommunication, IT cooperation, education and culture, scholarships, cultural exchange, SAARC University. Energy, SAARC Energy Ring, cross-border power trade, environment, SAARC Meteorological Research Center, climate action, health and population, disease control, maternal health, SAARC Tuberculosis Center. Transport and connectivity, road, rail, waterway, and air connectivity. Tourism, SAARC tourism, visa-free concept tourist circuits. Science and technology, SAARC Agriculture Center, research and development cooperation. Challenges and criticisms. Indian-Pakistan bilateral tensions, politically rivalry between the two largest members has repeatedly stalled summits. The 19th summit 2016 was cancelled due to tensions. Low inter-regional trade among SAARC nations is only more or less 5% of total trade, among the lowest for any regional bloc in the world. Consensus-based decision-making, all decisions require unanimous consensus, making it difficult to implement policies when bilateral disputes exist. Poor connectivity, inadequate road, rail and air links limit the movement of goods and people across South Asia. Dominance of India, India's size and economic weight creates asymmetry, causing smaller nations to be cautious of Indian hegemony. BIMSTEC as alternative, BIMSTEC Bay of Bengal initiative has emerged as a competing platform, potentially sidelining SAARC. Okay, SAARC versus BIMSTEC comparative view. Full form, SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Founded SAARC in 1985, BIMSTEC in 1997. Members, 8 members in SAARC and 7 members in BIMSTEC. Headquarter, Kathmandu, Nepal, and BIMSTEC, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Pakistan included, SAARC in yes, BIMSTEC no. Connectivity loss, low, and BIMSTEC high. Status largely stalled, and BIMSTEC more active. Okay, this is some practice questions for UGC NET examination. SAARC was founded in which year? Correct answer is option number C, 1985. Where is the SAARC secretariat located? Correct answer is option number D, Kathmandu. Which country became the 8th member of SAARC? Correct answer is option number C, Afghanistan. SAFTA came into effect in which year? Correct answer is option number C, 2006. Okay, key facts to remember. SAARC founded 8 December 1985 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Proposed by Bangladesh President Ziaur Rahman 1980. 8 member states, decision by unanimous consensus. Secretariat Kathmandu, Nepal. Established 1987. SAFTA signed 1993. SAFTA signed 2004. Effective from 2006. Afghanistan joined as 8th member at 14th Summit 2007, New Delhi. 19th Summit cancelled due to India-Pakistan tensions in 2016. Inter-regional trade only 5% of total trade. South Asian University, New Delhi, established 2010. SAARC covers more or less 3% of the world area, 21% population of the whole world. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.